You know, a lot of times in barbecue, the side dishes get forgotten. They'll go and they'll get, you know, canned beans, or they'll get store-bought coleslaw. For me, the side dishes are just as important as the meat itself. For this side dish, it's broccolini. We are gonna use the Big Umami on it, and we're gonna grill it directly over hot coals to crisp and charred. So let's get started. Drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil over the broccolini. So to season this broccolini, I'm gonna use one of my newest rubs, the Big Umami. It's great on potatoes, mushrooms, pork chop, steak. In this case, I'm gonna put it on this grilled broccolini. It's salt, pepper, it's garlic. It's really, really delicious. And with cooking, you can always make it your own. So this could be just as simple as salt and pepper. Now I've got my grill hot. I'm gonna grill these till they're al dente, get some crispy char on there. A little bit of black is okay. I've got my lemon charring here. That'll be a little squeeze that goes on at the end. But if you notice, I've got the thick part of the broccolini over the hot coals. I got my florets on the outside. So the thicker part of the broccolini is gonna cook, take longer to cook than the florets are. I love crunch. I love textures when I'm cooking, and whether it be salads, grilled vegetables, whatever it is, I often lean on nuts. In this case, I've got pumpkin seeds. To make your spiced pumpkin seeds, we're gonna just coat these pumpkin seeds in a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil, season them with the Big Umami, put them in a cookie pan, toast them in the oven until they're a little bit toasted, got a nice crunch to them. To finish this dish, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon on there, put some toasted pumpkin seeds on there that got a little bit of spice, and mix it up and serve.